Once your hardcover details and content are done, the final step is the rights and pricing section. Let's start with territories. If you're planning to sell your book globally, select all territories. Only choose individual territories if you have specific regional rights restrictions. Next is the primary marketplace. This sets your base price. It is usually Amazon.com, but you can switch it back in the details tab if needed. Then enter your list price. You'll see the allowed range for hardcover books, and once you type your price, KDP automatically converts it for other marketplaces. Your royalty is based on your list price minus the printing cost. Hardcovers are more expensive to print than paperbacks, so you will notice the minimum price is higher. Once everything looks good, you can request a printed proof or go ahead and click publish to submit your hardcover for review. And if you're still working on your cover or interior, there's a tool I highly recommend. I will drop the link below in case you want to try it. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre-made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I'll link it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.